The job description of a law clerk involves providing critical research, drafting, and administrative support to judges, attorneys, or legal departments. Law clerks play an instrumental role in the legal system, assisting in the preparation of legal documents, analyzing case law, and offering recommendations that influence legal decisions. Their work ensures that courts and law offices operate with accuracy, efficiency, and respect for legal precedent. Often operating behind the scenes, law clerks bring precision, depth of knowledge, and analytical rigor to every stage of legal proceedings. Law clerks can be found in various settings, including courtrooms, private law firms, corporate legal departments, and government agencies. Their duties vary depending on the nature of the legal environment. For instance, judicial law clerks support judges in managing caseloads and drafting rulings, while law firm clerks may assist attorneys with trial preparation, legal filings, and case summaries. Despite the variety, the core mission remains the same: to support sound legal decision-making through meticulous research and well-structured legal writing. This role is often held by recent law graduates who aspire to practice law in the future, although some law clerks continue in long-term or specialized roles. The experience gained during a clerkship is invaluable, often shaping the trajectory of a legal career by offering direct exposure to the judicial process, legal argumentation, and high-level reasoning. Core responsibilities of a law clerk. At the heart of the job description of a law clerk is legal research. Law clerks are tasked with reviewing statutes, regulations, case law, legal precedents, and procedural rules to provide insights that assist in case preparation or judgment. They access legal databases such as Westlaw or LexisNexis, analyze relevant rulings, and summarize key points to inform decisions or arguments. Research is not only thorough but also context-specific, tailored to the facts and legal questions of each case. Drafting legal documents is another central duty. Law clerks write bench memoranda, legal opinions, motions, orders, and briefs under the supervision of judges or attorneys. These documents must be clear, persuasive, and legally sound. Precision in language is essential, as even minor errors can impact the interpretation of a ruling or the direction of a case. In the judicial setting, law clerks help judges prepare for hearings and trials. They may organize case files, prepare case summaries, and outline potential rulings. During proceedings, clerks often observe courtroom activities, take notes, and ensure that records are updated and organized. Afterward, they assist in drafting opinions or rulings, drawing on courtroom observations and research findings. In private practice, law clerks support attorneys with litigation and transactional matters. This can involve preparing discovery documents, organizing exhibits, filing court papers, or reviewing contracts. In corporate environments, they may conduct due diligence, monitor compliance with legal standards, or assist in policy review. Administrative support is often a part of the role. Law clerks manage legal calendars, schedule meetings, maintain legal databases, and track court deadlines. Their organizational skills ensure that cases proceed smoothly and that all necessary documentation is accessible and current. Confidentiality is a critical component of the role. Law clerks often work on sensitive matters, ranging from criminal trials to corporate disputes, and must protect privileged information at all times. Ethical conduct, integrity, and discretion are non-negotiable standards. By the midpoint of their duties, it becomes clear that the job description of a law clerk is intellectually demanding and deeply impactful. Whether working in a courtroom or a law office, the law clerk operates as the analytical backbone of legal preparation and resolution, ensuring that justice is pursued through careful thought and well-supported arguments. Essential skills and competencies. To excel as a law clerk, one must possess strong legal acumen and a commitment to detail. First and foremost is research proficiency. Law clerks must know how to navigate legal databases, synthesize large volumes of information, and extract relevant findings. They should be comfortable analyzing complex legal texts, legislative histories, and appellate decisions. Legal writing is a defining skill of the profession. Law clerks must write clearly, concisely, and persuasively. Their documents must be structured logically, backed by accurate citations, and tailored to the specific legal issue at hand. The ability to adopt a neutral tone, especially in judicial contexts, is critical, as is adherence to formatting standards such as Blue Book citation rules. Critical thinking and analytical reasoning are vital. Law clerks must assess competing legal arguments, anticipate counter-arguments, and understand how facts influence legal outcomes. Their ability to think strategically supports more effective advocacy or decision-making by those they serve. Attention to detail is another key attribute. In the legal field, small errors can lead to significant consequences, whether in contract interpretation, factual assertions, or legal citations. Law clerks must maintain meticulous standards across all tasks. Time management and organizational abilities help law clerks handle multiple assignments, meet strict deadlines, and keep track of complex legal matters. Prioritizing effectively and working independently are essential, particularly in fast-paced or high-volume environments. Communication skills, both verbal and written, support collaboration with judges, lawyers, clients, and other clerical staff. Law clerks should be articulate, diplomatic, and able to receive and implement feedback constructively. Ethical awareness underpins all activities. Law clerks are held to the highest standards of professional conduct and must understand and uphold rules of confidentiality, impartiality, and legal ethics. Work environment and challenges. The work environment of a law clerk is typically office-based, although in judicial settings it may also involve time in the courtroom. The atmosphere is generally quiet and professional, focused on research, analysis, and documentation. Law clerks often work closely with a small team or directly under a judge or senior attorney. Work hours can vary. While some roles follow standard business hours, others may require overtime during trial preparation, urgent filings, or heavy caseloads. Deadlines are often strict, and the quality of work must remain consistently high despite time pressures. One of the main challenges law clerks face is managing the intellectual rigor of the role. Legal research can be time-consuming and complex, requiring patience, thoroughness, and analytical skill. The volume of reading and writing can be substantial, and the stakes of accuracy are high. Another challenge is balancing independence with supervision. Law clerks must be self-motivated and capable of taking initiative, but they also need to be receptive to direction and feedback from legal superiors. Despite the challenges, many law clerks find the role deeply rewarding. It offers an unmatched opportunity to engage with the legal system, contribute to the development of legal arguments or judicial decisions, and build a foundation for future practice. Clerkships are especially valued for the exposure they provide to courtroom dynamics, legal reasoning, and the intricacies of case law. Education and career development. Becoming a law clerk typically requires a strong academic background in law. Most positions require a Juris Doctor, JD degree from an accredited law school, and competitive candidates often rank high in their class or have served on a law review or moot court team. Judicial clerkships, especially at the federal level, are highly selective and may require strong recommendations, writing samples, and prior legal internships. Some law clerk positions are available to current law students as part-time or summer roles, while others are designed for recent graduates seeking experience before entering full-time practice. Clerkships may last from a few months to several years, depending on the jurisdiction and the role's nature. Certifications are generally not required, but completing relevant legal writing or research courses, as well as mastering citation formats, greatly enhances readiness for the role. Proficiency in legal software and research platforms is also expected. Law clerks often use their experience as a springboard into other legal careers. Many go on to become practicing attorneys, judges, academics, or corporate counsel. The insights gained during a clerkship, particularly in judicial decision-making, are invaluable for future litigation or appellate work. Conclusion. The job description of a law clerk reveals a role that is intellectually demanding, legally significant, and foundational to the operation of courts and legal offices. These professionals provide the research, writing, and critical analysis that support effective legal action and informed judgments. For individuals with a passion for law, an aptitude for detailed work, and a drive to contribute meaningfully to the justice system, the role of a law clerk offers an ideal blend of learning and impact. Whether serving a judge in chambers or an attorney in practice, law clerks represent the quiet but essential force that upholds the integrity and precision of legal work at every level.